Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create an Instagram account from the basic. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So first click on the add a new account, then you can choose your username from here. So you can choose your page name or whatever, and the Instagram automatically give a suggestion if it is not unavailable. You can make it as like a numbers, or you can make it as 2 words or 3 words. So your Instagram account, just click on the add new phone or email address or complete sign up. So you just want to click on the add new phone or email number for a security reason, so you can easily back up your page or your account easily. So you just want to click on the, you can give a phone number or an email ID, whatever that you want. So I just giving an email ID. So phone number or email ID, there will be a verification code. So you just want to log in the code by typing the code that's sent for your email ID or your phone number. So you just need to enter the security code that's sent for your mail ID or phone number that you have been given while you creating a new account. So just enter the number and click on the next option. Now you can skip the find the friends on to follow, and you can also add a profile picture from here. Just choose from your gallery or take a photo, or you can also choose from importing from the Facebook. I just choose from my profile, so I just given, and you can also share this photo as your first post. I just click next. So you just need to follow some famous profile that if you want, and you can skip it also. So I just shared my first photo as my profile picture. You can also change your username or your name by clicking on the edit profile. You can see a lot of username can also be changed, and name also can be typed from here. So by this simple method, you can easily create your Instagram account or Instagram page and that you want. So just simply type your bio also.
Friends, if you find this video useful, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, like this video, share this video with your friends. If you want to know more about the Instagram, then follow this channel. I will make more videos about the Instagram. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.